is Fatma. I'm from Philippines. I came here in Dubai last October 9, 2005. When I was Christian, my name before is Daisy, and now I am converted to Islam. I changed it to Fatma. First, I exposed in Islam in 2006, just here in UAE. Because when I heard the adhan, I feel it comes in my heart and in my body. Same, I feel that it is. I feel that it is good for me. First time that I decide to convert was when I heard Mr. Abul Khair Abid Kapatagan when he took in Dubai Eye, and then I took his number, and then I talked to him that I want to convert in Islam. And that time he told me, okay, if you have time, you can come to me this day, Friday, and I will help you to do Shahada. I will teach you how to convert, what is the process. I am doing fasting since before. Even I am not yet converted in Islam, I am doing fasting. 2008, I started fasting. My employer is very good. They are treated me as a family. They are helping me if I have problems. They are good. No. They are good. They are good, my employer. I cannot stay for them for almost 7 years if they are not good. I feel that I find already the real religion that I have to be. That I have to be within.